Now let's test the machine. When you receive the machine, first you should use manual mode. Put your mode into the machine. After manual mode adjustment, then you turn to automatic mode. Now let's begin. This is closed mode. The machine runs. It can monitor the state. When it gets to the set pressure, it stops. Now it's degas. Now it's vulcanizing time. These parameters are adjustable. This page, it can also display. It can display vulcanizing time, pressure. When it gets to time, the high pressure release valve will action first. Now let's turn back here. Watch this valve. This is the high pressure release. It works first to release high pressure. Then the machine opens. When it gets to place, stop. On this machine, we have this one. It's for oil flow adjustment. Suppose when the work pressure is too low, far below than 110, we can turn this button anti-clockwise. It's decrease. This clockwise, it's increase. When we set to low pressure, far below than 110, we need to turn this one anti-clockwise to decrease oil flow. Here, it's also a pressure meter.